Fox in socks, with neon knocks, clacking, clumping, clownish clops, tiptoes down the tick-tock rocks, where winds whip wild in zigzag flocks. Is socks? Oh, those socks! Striped with ziggles, dotted with Zox blue and orange lightning streaks, twirling toes in fancy peaks. He grins, he spins, he flips, he hops, he tongue twists trees and juggles drops. Every critter in the leafy blocks knows the whoosh whoosh swoosh of the fox in socks. But today, oh today, he's extra tricky, extra quick why, double dizzy, turbo sticky. Ready to rattle rattly rhymes 1,000 times in tangled chimes. He shouts, click clack clock. Try my tricky tick-tock talk. Flick my quick slick snicker snock. Tick the talk and talk the tick till words go whipping wicked quick. The birds blink. The squirrels freeze. The rabbits wriggle both their knees. Everyone knows this foxy tease. His games bring giggles and unease. For when he starts his rhyming tricks, the forest flips to verbal mix, where sounds go squish and squish goes swish and nothing stays in place. Chapter 1, Bear on the Stairs Thump, Thump, Thump. From deep within the forest square comes lumber rumble, thudsome bear. A sleepy bear with dusty hair, who'd always rather nap than dare. Oh no, the chipmunks whisper low, he hates when Foxy starts the show, for Bear's big tongue is slow and stuck, a fuzzy, clumsy, gummy truck. Bear yawns, who's shouting words like flying bricks? What's all these clacks and slaps and clicks? I heard a clunk. I heard a clink. My ears are tired. I cannot think. Fox zips up with a zippy grin. My furry friend, come try and spin. Let's rhyme and chime and twist your tongue. It's fun, my bun. For everyone, Bear frowns. No fun for me, my words go wrong. My ding-dong-ding becomes dun-dun-dong. I mix my ticks with tricky talks and trip on every tongue-tied box. Fox winks. I'll make it easy. Bear, my dear. Let's start with something mild, not fear. Say this phrase 3 times, no tricks. Berry Bear blows bluish bricks. Bear gulps. He tries. Berry Bear. Booze bluish. Bix. Fox hollers. No, no. Listen. Berry Bear blows bluish bricks. Bear tries again. Burry. Burr. Brewish brucks. He sighs. I told you, Fox, I stink at this. Fox pats his paw. Oh, Bear, don't be upset. It only means we haven't yet found the rhyme that fits your style. But trust me, it will take a while. Bear blinks. A whole while. Fox nods proudly. A full 1, maybe 2. Chapter 2, Dragon in a Wagon, then whoomph. A windy swoosh, and fire flies by in a rush. A dragon, yes, a dragon squeezed inside a squeaky wagon, rolling, tolling, bowl and bowling, barely fitting, tail still scrolling. He coughs a puff of puffing smoke. He croaks, who spoke the poker-oak of wordy jokes. I'd like to join the rhyming folks. Fox beams. A dragon, good. Come near. We love new tongues to twist and steer. But watch your tail, don't whip it, please. You've knocked down half a dozen trees. Dragon blushes. Oh, sorry. Tail does that sometimes. Bear groans. I can't do rhymes. Why try at all? I twist my lines. Dragon smiles. But Bear, that's why we're here to play. If we mess up, hooray! We rhyme our way anyway. Fox claps. A perfect team! Now try this dream. Dragons drag big bags of flags down zigzag tracks in tag-a-tag wagons. Bear gasps. Dragon wheezes. Fox grins wider. Go on, dragon, dragons. Drig, brags of fligs. Bear, dee-dee down zig. Zag, tag, wag? Fox cheers. Almost. Nearly. Try again. A little more from brain and pen. They try. And try. And try some more. Words spill across the forest floor. Twisting, tangling, sliding slow. Refusing neat or normal flow. Chapter 3. Mouse with a house suddenly, shuffle, shuffle, shoop. A tiny mouse pops up. A mouse so small that mushrooms tall look like towers above them all. But his tail, that tail is a trail long as a rail, dragging like a ship's sail. Fox smiles. Well, hello, mouse house. Where's your tiny house, mouse house? Mouse squeaks. Right here on my head. A leaf for a roof and a thread for a bed. Bear mutters, a house. On his head. That can't be comfy. Mouse stamps. It is. And I want rhymes. I heard your chimes from 50 vines behind the pines. Fox bows. Then join the mix. Try this one. A mouse in a house with a hat full of cheese sips soup in the breeze while he wiggle sneezes. Mouse straightens up proudly. He squeaks perfectly. A mouse in a house with a hat full of cheese sips soup in the breeze while he wiggle sneezes. Dragon blinks. Bear gulps. Fox gasps. You did IT. First try. Bear whimpers. Even mouse is better than me. Dragon, I can't even say wiggle sneezes. Without sneezing, mouse, you can. Just breeze it, ease it, squeeze it. Believe it. Fox giggles. What a team! Let's build a rhyming dream machine.